What's good? What's good? What's going on, everyone? So, I got some upgrades for the car. Finally, I got a little bit of front end suspension. Get into, I don't know if you guys been with me for a while. There's a couple of videos back, I think, that I put some limiters on the car, but I ended up taking them off. So now I actually finally got some adjustments, right? So here we go. Viking Berserker double adjustable coilover type. However, I did not get the coilovers yet. I just wasn't ready for it. You know, eventually I might get around to actually getting coilovers, but right now I just really wanted to have the adjustable portion of it, just to be able to adjust it. So I already got one out. I already got one installed. I just got to do the other side now. So the key thing with installing this, right? So there's a bolt under here, just like that one, or a nut that you got to take off, right? And then these two right here. Now, the thing to remember is these are a little bit longer than the stock ones because you got the adjustment portion. So that means, come around here and look at this one. What that means is, see if you can see here how that one stops right here. What that means is the double adjustment one extends down. Now, to get it to bolt up, you're gonna have to grind. You have to grind a little bit off right here. Right, so you're gonna have to grind that down so that it'll bolt up and sit up flush. So you can see on my side, this one that I already did, right here, you can see where I grinded it a little bit, right, to get it to bolt up. Now I do need to get some aftermarket ARs at some point, right? But I figure that's down the line right now. I'm still somewhat competitive. Stock rotors, stock A-arms, V6 springs. Eventually, I'm gonna get the coilover part. You know, maybe if I win another race, I have some funds for it. I came upon these and I had to go ahead and get them. So let's go ahead and get into this work. I'm gonna let y'all see this other one. I'm gonna get this one out, and I'm gonna adjust the bar length on the back as well, so we can be set up for no prep. So my lower control arm is under here, right? I'm gonna move that down in the hole. So I'm gonna move that down one hole to see if it'll put more bite into the car, and then we're gonna go test it and see how she hooks up. So if you haven't already, go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe, and let's get this work done. All right, what we're gonna do is bust these loose. Those are 15/16. This way. All those curls doing good. All right, they both loose. 13/16. A 10mm. Oh man, there we go. Now, you gotta support that bottom. I gotta support that A-arm. There, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go grab my jack. There we go. Support it with the jack. Is it 10 millimeter? No, 13. 13 millimeter. You take this sucker out. Looking at it on the other end. Now the new shock mount doesn't have threads on it, so I'll have to either put a bolt on the other end of this or find. Let's go ahead and get these guys off here. I had put some Loctite tight on there before. All right, that's it. Now, take the nut off the top. All right. Got that off. All right. And now, this whole thing should just, there we go. The whole thing's coming off. Good. And the new one is just simple as that, just putting it back in. Again, we are going to have to grind a little bit because as you can see, the length difference on the bottom of it. Right? So that piece needs to be clearanced, which means you need to grind off a little bit right in here for it to work. All right, so you gotta go to work on that. Let me put one bolt in and see what she's looking like. All right, that's the top. That's the bottom. Yeah, I think that will be good right there. All right, now we just put the bolts back on here, or the nuts, I should say. Just the back one, I'm gonna have to take the bolt out a little bit. Put the nut on. With it. That goes on top of here, I believe. It's right there. Now we slide it up. All right, here we go. Now we just tighten this one up. I haven't decided I might use that one. Just need to tighten these up and then get a bolt one day, put in here, put back in there, and we're good to go. It was easy. All right. So there we go. Ladies and gentlemen, she is installed. So right now I have no settings on. I will adjust them later according to what I want to do. I'm probably gonna put the extension on, I don't know, 3 maybe, because I want it to extend, right? But I don't want it to come back down. I want it to come back down slow, so I'll probably put it, we can go ahead and set it right now. All right, let's do it right now. Get a baseline for how I want it to do. All right, so let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 clicks, right? So let's back it off. 3, so that's 18 right now. 17, 16, 15. Let's go with 15 on that. And now the rebound. It should be already loosening rebounds. Let's just go with 3 of the rebound. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna try that, see how it works.